Get on your spoon. Good job. Good job, Cooper. Can you do another one? Get some more. Get a little bit more on there. Good job, Cooper. A little 13-month-old and you're feeding yourself. Real big boy oatmeal too. Get a lot on there. Good job, you're taking little baby bites like you're supposed to. I'm so proud of you.